Hi, today I want to tell you how to become healthy, step by step, what you need to do. Even if you're the most unhealthy person in the world, I want to tell you now what to do to reach optimal health. Okay, so first, what you need to do is decide what you want. You need to set a goal. You need to sit down and say, okay, I want to lose 60 pounds. I want to have like muscles on my shoulders. I want to have very good digestion, or I want to gain weight. Like, we all have different goals, right? So first of all, you decide what you want. You write it down on a piece of paper. You could put it on your wall. You could put it on your mirror in the bathroom. What you want to do is put it on a piece of paper so that it's official. And then you want to make the commitment. Once that is done, when you know what you want, you make the commitment. You say, okay, starting from this date, tomorrow, I will start my journey to lose the 60 pounds. My first goal is to lose 5 pounds this month. I'm going to go to the gym. You write down what you're going to do. You can even write it on social media so that people know that you're starting this new goal of yours. You're telling people, hey, I want to lose weight. I'm starting this challenge and I'm going to reach this by this date. So this is going to make it official and you're going to be committed to it, and that's going to help you show up and do it every day. Then what I would say is you need to find either a partner, somebody who wants to do it with you, or you could do both, get a mentor. So somebody to follow. So it would be me, for example. So you're following me, you watch my videos every day, you learn new stuff, because it's always about education, right? You need to know why you're doing this. It's not just about losing the weight. It's also about getting healthy, like inside in your body. You want to be healthy. You want to live a long life. You don't want to die from heart disease and diabetes, just like the whole planet right now, and cancer. You want to be different. So you want to know why you're doing this. You want to understand nutrition. You want to understand like how to read labels. You want to understand like what you're buying. You want to know what's in the food you eat. So you want to follow somebody that you trust, somebody that has the same values that you have, or at least somebody who has values that you want to have, somebody you want to look up to. So that's very important, a mentor. Like for me, I follow Dr. Michael Greger. I love him so much. He's all about the science, and I learned so much with him. And then I can pass on the knowledge to other people. And there are several other doctors that I follow, but he's my favorite. So then, once you have your mentor, you have somebody to follow, you made the commitment. Now you don't want to start from zero to go straight to fully raw vegan. That's not what you want to do. You want to add the good stuff. You want to add the good stuff in your life. We've got a visitor. Hi, Isabella. Say hello. So you want to add the good food in your diet. So when I say that, I mean add apples. Today I'm going to eat 2 apples. I'm going to have a huge salad for lunch, which you normally don't have. You're going to just add, let's say, chia seeds. Do you know about chia seeds? Well, you can buy that and mix it with a nice plant-based milk or just water, and that's gonna make a pudding. And then that stuff, you can have it as a dessert with fruit, or you can add it in your cereal, or you can have it in your smoothie. But these superfoods, you add this to your diet, and then what happens is that it gives you more nutrition, and then it gives you more energy, and it helps you lose weight. And I'm sorry, but the baby is just all over me, and my husband doesn't care and doesn't come and get her. Okay, he's coming. Thank you, Derek. So that's what I was saying. You add the good stuff in your diet, and by doing that, slowly it will decrease the amount of bad food in your diet. Because if you're eating a chia pudding with fruit, well, after that you have no space for fried chicken. and French fries in a bag of chips. You don't have space. So it's impossible that you eat those bad food if you have added these good food. And what I found when I decided to go healthy, on a healthy diet years ago, I added this stuff, and then slowly I didn't want the other bad stuff. I forgot about it. Like I forgot about the taste of cheese. I forgot about the taste of what did I used to eat? Like, I don't even remember. Anyway, all the bad food, I forgot about them because I enjoyed the new stuff. I enjoyed the good food, the new good food that I didn't know about before. And your taste buds will change, and then now then you'll realize that you don't need these foods anymore. So that's what I say to you. Don't just go cold turkey and expect to succeed like that, because this is the way that people do sometimes, and then they, after like a couple of weeks, they just feel deprived. They feel like they're missing out on the food they used to eat. So they see this as a diet, you know, and becoming healthy shouldn't be a chore. It shouldn't be a diet. It's not. I don't diet. I'm on a healthy diet, but I don't diet. I just eat healthy. You know, those unhealthy foods, they're not foods in my head. They don't exist, you know? I just don't see them at the superstore. I don't buy them. They don't exist. So I don't feel like I'm missing out. So this is where you're gonna get. But in the beginning, you might not feel like that. You might feel deprived. And so that's why I say add the good things, and don't think about getting rid of everything. Just think about adding the good stuff, and you'll see slowly it will happen for you. It will be natural, and you will never feel deprived. And it's the same thing with exercise. Don't start with a HIIT workout of 45 minutes. That's not going to happen for you if you're not healthy. If you never exercise, then it's going to be too hard for you. Start with what you can. If going for a walk is the only thing you can do because you never do, then start with that. Start with walking, and slowly you'll be able to jog, and then take some breaks because your cardio will be like, you're going to be out of breath. But it's just like after my pregnancy, when I started running again, I was almost having an asthma crisis over there after like 5 minutes of running because I wasn't exercising for 2 years. So I started slowly. I would come back home, be so discouraged, and my boyfriend would be like, start with what you can, and then slowly you'll get better. And this is what happened, right? So you want to go with you need to follow your rhythm, and you'll see it doesn't take much time. But in the beginning, just go slowly. Add the walks, then add the joggings, then slowly it's going to be running, and then take your bike, you know. You can walk to work, you know, and then if you walk to work, you don't have a car to come back, so you're going to have to come back walking. So these things, you just add and add and add, and then all of a sudden you realize that you're healthy and you're exercising and you're happy with this. You know, going to the gym in the beginning can be hard. You know, lifting weights is not easy when you start. It's really heavy, but you have to do it in order to be able to make muscles. You need to lift the weight. I see the people at the gym lifting no weight. What are you doing? You're not gonna, you know, nothing's gonna happen. So if it's been 2 months that you're lifting the same weight, I mean, no weight, it's easy for them because they're not using their muscles. So you need to force it a little bit, but in the beginning, you start with little weight, and then slowly you build it up, and then at some point, you're going to be able to lift the weight you never thought you could, but you need to start somewhere. So don't set yourself for failure and like try to be like Mr. Muscle at the gym, or, you know, be self-conscious because you're not lifting what they're lifting, or you're not running as fast as the other guy on the treadmill. Don't think about that. Just focus on yourself, and with like little steps, follow the steps that I just gave you, and then you'll see you're gonna get there. You're gonna get healthy, and then you can do your HIIT workout after that, you know, but just start slowly, okay? And then you're gonna reach optimal health at some point, and you're gonna be so proud of you. You're gonna be so proud, you know? A few months ago, I was not healthy at all because of the pregnancy and just no exercising, and, you know, I had all this weight to lose, and going to the gym was hard, and now I go to the gym and I'm just so happy. I can lift, and my body is changing and I feel energized and I'm so happy. So of course I was healthy before because I eat healthy, but for the exercise part it was difficult to start, but I started small, and now I'm getting there. I'm almost where I want to be. So that's it for today. I wanted to talk about that. I hope that this is going to help you. Let me know if it sounds like a good idea for you or not. So follow the steps and let me know in the comments where you're at and what's your goal. Tell me your goal, and I can maybe help you, So that's it. So like and share my video, and go subscribe on my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram also. I'm there every day. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.